Hi, I'm Will with IT Supplies. In this video, I will be talking about the new GF830 AutoMark wrap film with drift technology. This is GF's very first printable cast vinyl. The material is a premium gloss white cast wrap film. The drift technology helps for a breezy installation by providing superior repositionability and slidability throughout the install process. Choosing a cast vinyl isn't all about the quality of the print, but also the ease of installation. While this media does offer an excellent white point for high quality printing, it also encompasses General Formulations' newest drift technology. This new technology offers the right amount of adhesive tack paired with micro aerogress channels and opaque-grade adhesive. The combination of these three elements allow for a quick and easy bubble-free application. Now you might think, with all this talk about slidability and drift technology, that the adhesion can't be that great, but you would be wrong. With the new drift technology, you can easily move the media around the vehicle until you are ready to adhere. Then, with just a couple of swipes of the squeegee, you are fully adhered. The new GF830 has an industry standard 8-year rating and has two brand new laminate options that pair with it. The 831 Gloss AutoMark Clear UV Cast Laminate and the 840 AutoMark Matte Clear UV Cast Laminate are the two newest additions to the General Formulations family of laminates. Both laminates provide excellent protection from the harmful UV rays of the sun that can fade in color and vibrancy over time. Now you might be wondering, how the heck do I get my hands on some of this amazing material? Well, that is simple. You can contact your IT Supply sales representative or call in on our 1-800 number and ask for a commercial sales rep. Personally, I would ask for me. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Have a question? Leave us a comment below. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for stopping by.